I don't know why my camera's dark, but it's dark. And this is today's video, boys. Woo! Got 4 wheels and tires back there. You saw the wheel reveal last video. Now it is time to get these puppies painted. We are gonna go with a, did I say what colors I painted them in the last video?
I don't think so.
I'm painting them white. White and silver. Like, I didn't remember, I was like, shit. And we got the new Wallbro fuel pump installed. And we're gonna test it out right now and see if we get sputter from going into full boost. Look at that old school fill-up, baby. Woo! Classic. All right, boys, test number 2. Hot start. Oh, look at my fittings completely gone.
Grandma the way? I'm sorry.
I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm leaving that in there. My fuel pump gauge is my fuel pump gauge. Fuel fucking. I can't even speak right now. It says I have no gas, but I have a full tank. Insta start, Mickey. Why the fuck is my grandma? That's thing in the video. Gotta get the wheel painting necessities, boys. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, buddy. There's only one more thing left on the menu that we need, and that is food, because I am fucking hungry. And stop making salad, guys! You get your watermelons, you get your M&Ms, milk chocolate, of course, and you eat them together. Trust me. Very good life hack.
Right off now.
I was doing bad. I couldn't even pull a sticker off. I needed help getting these stickers off. Ugh.
Look at that. Clean.
Clean rip. Ah! Damn. I got a piece of it off. Counts for something. Ooh, magia. And I gotta scuff these puppies up. Scuff pad. Those of you that don't know. Ah. I'm sitting on my wheel. Secret to wheels, which you can't do. I'm sure I've talked about this before when I painted my bike wheels. Secret to wheels is when they're painted, you can literally scuff them up and use the top layer as a primer, as long as your wheels are super clean. And you don't have to spray any primer on them. You can literally just spray right over them. That's what I'm gonna do. Spray over the black paint after I scuff it. And that'll be that. I'm gonna tape off pieces of those. I think I talked about this too. When you paint a wheel white, especially a car wheel, you wanna paint the face white and then tape off the back and leave the back black so you can't see the brake disc. Life hack. Oh, recording you guys.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Ow.
I just can't get the sticker off. Ain't no sunshine when my wheels are ready to spray. All right, boys, wheel prep is done. Woo! All we gotta do is spray. And let the wheel dry up overnight. The wheels dry up overnight. I can't speak right now, sorry. We're let them dry overnight and get them thrown on tomorrow. So the next clip you see will be in the morning. Or afternoon. It'll still be the afternoon actually, because I work tomorrow. So after work, I'll throw these puppies on. We'll see how they look. Alright, Landon. Just jump off of it. Get it. Oh! You made it! How'd that feel?
Pain.
Pain? But you made it. Don't mind us just jumping around the sand. Oh yes, that is perfect. Damn, look at her. She's so good looking. Ooh. See, now I'm gonna have to come back when I get a different set of wheels and get more pictures. But it's nice to have different spots. You know, we need an ending shot for the videos because I don't really have any good pictures of the STI. I just have like some random ass ones I've taken before. Who do we have here? Price are approaching. We have this STI. Whose man's is this? Whose man's is this? Hello, Drexy. What up, baby? You miss me, Drex? Yeah. Pull up right here next to me, baby. I'll just go anywhere. I don't give a shit where you park. Chilling. Look at that big tablet in there. Fuck, Drex. Big ass tablet in your car.
What?
You got a big ass tablet in your car. Fucking flex. Drex with the flex. Look at this rich ass guy. This is one of the richest guys I know. Subi Drex. Damn, this and that. Oh, looks so good. Damn. I wonder if I look good in the fuck. This is golden hour. Damn, I'm glowing right now, Drexy. You didn't want to see me on this camera right now. We got the master doing his work. Oh, go on. Subaru on a platter. Got the master down here. Drexelina parking with the E-lights on like anyone's gonna pull up on him. It's a dead ass beach right now, dude, but this looks so nice right now. Shit. We're in this top secret location right now shooting with Senor Drexy. Woo! Drex got the life hacks. He knows what he's doing. Ooh, yes. Do a kickflip. Plan to do a kickflip.
Easy.
Do a kickflip. 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 Oh, we get the landing cam. It's like. Yes, boys. She is finally clean. It looks so fucking good. And as for me, I look like shit like always. Sup, peeps? Welcome back to another adventure today. Found myself out on a nice, sunny California day, and we're not doing car shit today. I don't promise, because actually I do gotta do car shit, but we're not gonna be working on the car. We actually gotta get the car smogged, but the car's not. I got a story. I'm gonna tell that story in a little bit. Don't even get me started on what the fuck happened yesterday when I tried to get the car smogged. I gotta put my mask on though, because we're walking in public. I'm curious as to why an enter here sign is pointed this way. That's where we actually entered from. And shouldn't that be on the outside? If we're inside already, why is it telling us to enter here? That's how we exit. What do you mean? I've been so distracted right now, I haven't made any clips and like I'm dark as shit. Come on camera, lighten up. I can't record much here because Victoria's Secret, I feel like people think I'm a perv if I record in here. Even though I'm not in here by myself, I'm in here with a woman. Still like, what are you doing here, Mr. Perv? But I got the life hacks, boys. You see the bag? Let me show you what I did. I gotta wait anyways, so I got time right now. You already know, this is it. I never talked about this, I don't think, on the channel. Tiki Beach. I'm probably gonna get a copyright claim because it's fucking music. Tiki Beach, the best scent at Bath & Body Works. Followed by strawberry pound cake. These are what you need. Trust me. I don't let you guys down. You know this. Look at that fat ass. Oh yes, daddy. Subaru STI. So boys, let me give you guys a nice little rundown of what's going on. Getting a smog check right now, right? I went yesterday to get a smog check on Friday during my lunch, and guess what? I got stranded for an hour. Here's what happened. The guy said he got in the car. I was talking on the phone. So the guy gets in my car, and my alarm starts going off all crazy. I was like, why the fuck is my alarm going off? And he gave me the remote and I turned it off, right? And so he said, that's when, like, what happened? He's like, I just went to turn the key and the dash lights went off. I'm like, okay, whatever, you know? He's like, so I checked your battery cable. I just touched the battery cable and the alarm started going off. I was like, it didn't make sense to me because the doors were unlocked, the keys were in the ignition. So I'm like, how did something like that happen, you know? And so we turned the key again and the fucking alarm went off again. Open the door, the alarm went off. The alarm would not shut the fuck up. Like, no matter what we did. I tried disarming it, nothing. Security light, the car was immobilized. Security light kept flashing. I couldn't start the car. You could turn the key, but you couldn't start it. Dude, it was a pain in the dick. So what did? I I pulled my kick panel apart and I pulled the whole fucking alarm out. Had to, because alarm's aftermarket. I remember I bought the car with an aftermarket alarm, so I had to rip the whole thing out. That's what I did. I ripped the whole alarm system out. The car started up and I left, but I couldn't get smog checked because when you reset the battery, like we pulled the battery so the alarm would shut up. When you pull the negative cable or the positive cable, anything, is he coming towards us? No? Okay, when you pull those cables or anything, the whole ECU resets and you have to get back into readiness mode, you know, for like a smog check. Well, if you're in California, you know what the fuck I'm talking about, or anywhere that's strict on smog. And so I couldn't get smogged. I drive the car around. I drove around today about 50 miles, and guess what? We're ready for smog. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. Waiting to see. The car should pass. I'm not afraid that the car's not going to pass because I have a little OBD2 scanner, and it says all the emission test is ready. So should be good. At first time it wasn't ready. I had like the CATs waiting to be ready. CATs, oxygen sensor, and the evap system was waiting to be readied up. And so after driving around today, it's ready for smog. So now we just got to wait for a certificate, go to one of the Navy partner ladies, and hopefully finally, after all this time, put the title in my name because I've been waiting for that. They took forever to send me the title because the DMV lags, you know, and they had to get the title from the bank had to get the title from Sacramento, and then they had to send it to me with the bill of sale, and they finally did after a month. So I have everything now, and now that it's my day off, I'm gonna go try to get all this shit done. Hopefully we get it all done today. I should also mention that I sounded stupid. I should mention that I actually fixed the alarm. I put everything back in and reset everything, and we're good to go. So it works again. So I'm back to my keyless entry. I thought I was gonna lose my bouginess and not be able to go click click to open the car, but we're back, baby. We're back, and all we need is this fucking smog check to be done. Because I don't know, I want some sweet treats. I have chocolate covered strawberries at home. Calling my name. All right, ladies, we have passed smog. Now it's time to call this DMV lady up and see if she has time right now, so we can go fill out our paperwork. Oh my god, I can't get over her. How sexy she is. Hi, kitty cat. We got a package. Woo! Let's open this package up, shall we? With our handy dandy Subaru key knife. In case anyone's wondering what I'm talking about, look at Subaru. Like a carabiner with the key in it, with the knife, with the key in it, with the knife in it. It's pretty sharp. I cut myself on this one time already. Tell me why these guys sent me a cup. No joke. Like, it's like, hey, you got a lip from us, so have a license plate frame and have a cup. We'll take it. And there's your just basic polyurethane lip. Kitty cat. Yeah. Wild children.
Move, chair. I need my spotlight.
Ow. My spotlight?
Give me my spotlight up here. Hey, give me my spotlight too.
Sibling love. My phone's ringing. I shit you not. I bought this just so I can get these. I mean, you guys. Let's be real. You guys already know I'm a Pokemon fan just because my username alone, that says it all. Like, oh, look at your username. You're a Pokemon fan. Yes, I am. Kitty, do not eat brownies. What are you doing? Ah! Kitty. Look who's over here sleeping on the bed. Sasha, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing, little kitty? She doesn't want to chill with me and Kitty with her. She wants to chill by herself right here. Boom, so this is the last thing we're gonna do along with the new wheel color. As you can see, I already got the wheels dirty because this is like 2 or 3 weeks after painting the wheels, and I'm not going to show the lip install because obviously I already did a lip install when we did Twinkie's car. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video. But let's just get this thing. I need to clean the bottom up first because there's dirt under there. The car is all dirty. I'm probably going to go wash it after this. Clean up under the bumper, throw the lip on, and then go wash the car. And there is our finished product. Now hear me out here. I like the lip in black, but I've really been considering paint matching it. You guys agree with that? You guys think I should paint match it? I really feel like paint matching it would go really well with the side skirts because obviously these are WRC side skirts, and I kind of want to match with that, and I'm gonna get the color match rear spats eventually. I do want to get those. Oh man, dude, I don't know. I really like the lip, but I'm still if I color match it, I'll do it at the same time I get the spats because I'm gonna get some more paint, obviously, in order to color match the spats, and I'll do the front lip at the same time. Let me know what y'all think.